The Tyman PBS Super Pocket is the first of its kind, and it's hit the road in WA. Over a year in the making, the design features are proving to be a significant benefit to our customers and their operations.
Yeah, being the first one in production and first one online, it's pretty exciting. It's a big exciting thing for SteamMax. The handling of the Super Pocket is very good. It's up there with a normal conventional pocket road train. You don't really notice the length when you're driving it, and the swept path's as good, if not better, than a conventional pocket.
With a payload of up to 95,000 litres of diesel operating on Level 2 routes, Level 1 low-speed swept path of 7.1 metres and tracking stability at 100 kilometres per hour, the Tyman PBS Super Pocket is changing the game in product freight.
The benefits of the Super Pocket is bigger payload, less trips for us, which cuts down driving hours, fatigue and actual travel time on the roads. Comparing to our standard pocket road trains, we're approximately 15% more productive with the new Super Pocket. With the steer axles on a quad group, it makes a lot of difference turning sharp corners, roundabouts and entering terminals. With Level 2 access, we can enter our metro terminals, unload and return to our country sites without disconnecting trailers. So other benefits that show up in our business are the environmental benefits of less fuel burn, less carbon emissions and ongoing protecting the environment.
And as always, Tyman continues to go above and beyond to ensure the satisfaction of our customers.
Dealing with Tymans, they're an Australian family company, a long history, and yeah, we're very well respected and they treat you like a person. Going forward, it's the way of the future in moving product from A to B with less truck movements and yeah, less road time.